Hi, I'm Andy, founder and MD of CELLER8. Today I'm going to show you how to extend your strap on your CELLER8 applicator. We offer 3 different strap sizes with the CELLER8: 100 centimeters, 60 centimeters and 45 centimeters. With your CELLER8 device, you should have received a 100 centimeter strap that comes already applied to the device. To extend this strap, we recommend you use one of the other size straps to extend and connect to this one. When applying the CELLER8 controller to a limb, we recommend applying it like this to avoid taking the 100 centimeter strap away from the device. We don't recommend that you take the 100 centimeter out of the device. However, if you prefer, this is how you would remove it and replace it with a different size strap. To remove this, simply just pull one end of the strap while holding the device and the strap will come out. If you want to install the 60 centimeter strap, for example, all you need to do is feed the strap through the slot. It may take a minute or two, be patient, but the strap will eventually go through.